block out all this temptation. Made it out from trapping in Vegas. Took the rap game and embraced it. I don't want no regular paycheck. If it's all ours, will I take it? Some things in my life changing. Just got out back to the basics.
YouTube, good morning, y'all, or good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Hope everyone makes it to their destination okay today. I hope everyone has a great day, positive day. I hope you're having a good trading day if you are trading. So I pretty much got a good video for y'all. You know, I guess I kind of started my channel a little backwards, a little confusing. I had a couple requests asking if I can do a video on how to start trading, meaning what I need apps wise to look at the charts, to execute the trades, so on and so forth, right? And so that's what we're gonna do today. So why don't you come, guys, join me over and we'll get to it. Okay, as you can see, we are on Google. You can type in TradingView or put it in the web address, okay? So this is how it looks once you are in the actual website, all right? If you were to click products, you will be able to see what package they have, okay? They have the Pro package, $14.95, the $29.95, and the $59.95. You do get to try it out for 30 days before you actually have to make a purchase. And these are the benefits you get with each package. Different type of indicators, alerts, how many alerts you get, how many charts you can open at once. I recommend the Pro, if anything. You get a good amount with that. Okay, and so this was TradingView, all right? So now we're gonna check Athens markets. Okay, so this is the Athens market website. If you were just to type in athensmarkets.co, okay, so that is athensmarkets.co, okay, and here at the bottom it explains to you why Athens is the #1 broker. Good spreads, good prices, very trustworthy. Then these are the different type of accounts they have. I go with the Pro because you get, yes, you pay more commission, but you actually get way better spreads than standard. So in the long run, it will benefit you more to go with Pro. Okay, they do have a bonus of 50% match deposit. Okay. So we have TradingView right here, and TradingView is used to do your analysis. Okay, you can figure out where the trend is, so on and so forth, right? And when I mentioned in my last video about top-down analysis, this is where I do that at. Okay, this is where I check from higher time frames. And first off, guys, I just want to say this is not financial advice, okay? This is for educational purposes only, all right? I just had to say that, get that out there. So I start off with the weekly, go down to the daily, okay? Then I want to see what is a major key level, okay? Where does price react the most? And so that's what you use the chart for. Okay, so you go down on your 4-hour, you figure out your analysis, and when you figure that out, and then you go down to your lower time frames to execute the trades, okay, to look for the patterns, which we're not going to get into in this video, but you look for certain patterns that gives you signals to enter the market, to enter a trade, okay. You have little tools to kind of help you out to make trend lines, which I will go over in another video as well. What are trend lines for, what are Fibonacci's for, the rectangle box, all that, we're going to do it in another video, okay? So here we go. We have the trend line, which is this line right here. You pretty much use it to line up, and it guides you, okay? It's like a guide to see where price is ranging from, or if it's gonna follow that line down. The trend line is used in many ways, okay? Like I said, I will go over that in another video. This is just a tutorial on how TradingView works, okay? So you got all these little tools down here that you can use, okay? Then you got your time frames. Then you have indicators. Indicators, which I will go in another video, but you pretty much have tools that help you figure out what price is doing. Personally, the only indicators that I do use are moving averages. As you can see here, these are the only two that I have in my favorite section. All right, but some people feel that they need indicators to help them have more confirmations, more confluence. Personally, I am a price action trader. I don't need indicators. I like my charts to be clean. Okay, as you can see, my chart is pretty clean. Okay, so here you have alerts. You can create alerts. So let's say you're at work or you don't want to be on the computer all day trying to see what price is doing or waiting for price to get to a certain zone. You put an alert, and that alert will notify you on your phone, email, computer, whatever. Okay, whatever you have it set at. All right, and you have bar replay, which is good for back testing. Okay, you always want to back test your strategies in the beginning of trading, your trading career, your trading journey. You want to back test. Okay, you don't want to just jump into trading, live trading especially, without knowing. Okay, without knowing a strategy, which I will go over in another video. And so the bar replay is very, very useful. Okay, very, very useful. Over here, as you can see, I got a little toolbar that I have all my favorite tools that I use. Okay, so I don't have to keep on coming in here on the left side and trying to hit these when I can just access them real quick right here. Okay. Over here we have your favorite pairs. Okay, it's your watch list. And you pretty much have different categories from indices to futures to Forex to crypto. And yeah, so that's what you have this little section here so you can access it real quick, okay? Everything is about accessing it quicker, easier, and less complication, right? Over here we have your alerts. The alerts that have gone off, it'll let you know. Right here we have, to be honest, I don't even know what this is really used for. I don't use it. Most of these I don't use besides the watch list. The alerts, I set it from here, so I don't really need this section much. But yeah, you can go over this on your own and you can play with it and figure out. You have news that you can check what news is doing for that pair that you're on, which if I can find it and show you guys. Let's see. Streams. Data window alerts. Okay. For some reason it's not showing it right now. But you can play with it, guys, okay? And as you can see here with MetaTrader 5, you use this to execute your trades, okay? Pretty much MetaTrader 5 is a tool, all right? But in order to access and to be able to make trades, you need a broker, okay? So this is the only two things that you really need to get started. Now, let's say you don't want to start trading live just yet, right? You can use a demo account on MetaTrader 5, all right? Use that as much as you can, okay, to test your strategies, to get comfortable with the markets. The only issue that I have with demos accounts, okay, you really can't feel true emotions on there because you know it's not your money. And you really don't have that feel for what it's like to lose money, okay? So I suggest using a demo account for about a month. Get comfortable with it. You get the idea of how trading works. And then I would go ahead and I would deposit a small amount, which the broker allows you to deposit a minimum of $25. Okay? And I would play with that small. And if you can flip, or if you can maintain that balance, okay, a small amount of balance, then you work up to the next level. All right? And there you will really get your true feels of how trading works. All right? I know it's a pretty simple video, simple explanation, not much to it, okay, guys? In the next video that I do, I will explain more in depth how trend lines work, Fibonacci's, all these things that you need to help you execute your trades the best, okay? So I hope everyone has a good day, and please, if you don't mind, if you enjoyed this video, if you could hit the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.
You got blessings coming to you lately. That pain can't hold you down. You are who you around. Keep your feet on solid ground. And you got to be patient. Put words with your